BakerHughes Mason-Nealon Camflex valve technology has over 1.2 million units installed worldwide in refineries, petrochemical, and chemical plants, as well as most other industries. Since the original Camflex was introduced in 1968, its reliability has been proven in many applications where typical valves fail. Now, the new Camflex GR, or Globe Replacement Model, makes operation and maintenance even easier. It's available in 6 sizes, in carbon or stainless steel constructions, with models rated for Class 150, 300, and 600 applications. Fewer parts means simpler operation, easier maintenance, and lower inventory costs for spares. It has 50% fewer potential leak paths for higher efficiency and lower emissions. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and simple to install and commission. Camflex GR is designed for direct one-to-one replacement of most reciprocating valves. Its compact envelope makes it easy to install in any application, no matter what OEM made your old valve. Camflex GR's rotary design has several advantages over the typical reciprocating Globe valves it replaces. At the heart of the Camflex is its double eccentric plug design. The eccentric action ensures no friction or contact between the plug and seat during operation. The only time the plug contacts the seat ring is when the valve closes. This ensures consistent and tight shutoff and provides exceptional turndown or rangeability to cover many process conditions. The rotary shaft motion reduces packing friction and wear, providing tighter long-term sealing. The standard EF seal provides low emission tightness. The integral body design eliminates the typical gasketed body or bonnet joint, simplifying maintenance and removing a potential leak point. Direct mounting of positioners provides more accurate positioning control by eliminating intermediate linkage between the valve shaft and avoiding lost motion that could otherwise be caused by wear over time. And most importantly, unlike traditional Globe valves, the Camflex trim is designed so that only the seat ring changes for different CV requirements. Combined with a simpler design with less packing and no gaskets, this means fewer parts to stock and manage. If you have 25 reciprocating valves with different CVs, you're stocking 25 different plugs, cages, and seat rings. But with Camflex GR, you only need a single plug. In a plant with many valves, this adds up to real tangible savings for the maintenance team. Camflex GR is available through our Valve Fast program, which means that kits are in stock and can be configured to meet your needs in as little as 24 hours.